Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can connect two boards in Mana.com. So open up any of those two boards and press add column button and then select connect option. So what it will do, it is actually used to connect boards. Now press here and press select boards. Here you can select any board that you would like to connect to this board. For me, I'm going to select this one and just press connect board. Now you can also create a mirror column, but that is optional, and you can also connect more boards, like you can connect more than two boards by pressing this connect more button, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I just want to connect one board. So you can also add a mirror column, like you can add a column from board 1 into board 2, or that's how it's supposed to work. Now as you can see, it has connected that other board with our this board. As you can see, it has added this products board here, so we can view this as well. So this is how you connect two boards in Mana.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.